this video explores the scientific evidence behind 10 of the best brain foods. The foods we eat can have a big impact on the structure and health of our brains. The brain is an energy-intensive organ, so it needs plenty of good fuel to maintain concentration throughout the day. Here are the top 10 foods to boost brain function. 1. Oily fish. Oily fish is a good source of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s help build membranes around each cell in the body, including the brain cells. They can improve the structure of brain cells called neurons. Examples of oily fish that contain high levels of omega-3s include salmon, tuna, mackerel, sardines, and herring. 2. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains cocoa, also known as cacao. Cacao contains flavonoids, a type of antioxidant. Antioxidants are important for brain health, as the brain is highly susceptible to oxidative stress, which contributes to age-related cognitive decline and brain diseases. Cacao flavonoids seem to be good for the brain. They encourage neuron and blood vessel growth in parts of the brain involved in memory and learning. 3. Berries. Many berries contain flavonoid antioxidants. According to studies, the antioxidant compounds in berries have many positive effects on the brain, including 1. Improving communication between brain cells. 2. Reducing inflammation throughout the body. 3. Increasing plasticity, which helps brain cells form new connections, boosting learning and memory. 4. Reducing or delaying age-related neurodegenerative diseases and cognitive decline. Antioxidant-rich berries that can boost brain health include strawberries, blackberries, blueberries and mulberries. 4. Nuts and seeds. Eating more nuts and seeds may be good for the brain, as these foods contain omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. A higher overall nut intake was linked to better brain function in older age. The nuts and seeds with the highest amounts of vitamin E include almonds, sunflower seeds and hazelnuts. 5. Whole grains. Eating whole grains is another way to benefit from the effects of vitamin E, with these grains being a good source of the vitamin. Whole grain foods include brown rice, oatmeal, barley, bulgur wheat, whole grain bread and whole grain pasta. 6. Coffee. The caffeine in coffee blocks a substance in the brain called adenosine, which makes a person feel sleepy. Caffeine may also increase the brain's capacity for processing information. Coffee is also a source of antioxidants, which may support brain health as a person gets older. One study has reported lifelong coffee consumption with reduced risk of cognitive decline, Parkinson's disease, stroke and Alzheimer's disease. 7. Avocados. Avocados support the brain, a good source of healthful unsaturated fat. Eating monounsaturated fats may reduce blood pressure, and high blood pressure is linked with cognitive decline. Other sources of healthful unsaturated fats include almonds, cashews and peanuts, flaxseed and chia seeds, soybean, sunflower and canola oils, walnuts and Brazil nuts. 8. Peanuts. Peanuts contain plenty of unsaturated fats and protein to keep a person's energy levels up throughout the day. Peanuts also provide key vitamins and minerals to keep the brain healthy, including high levels of vitamin E and resveratrol. Resveratrol is a natural non-flavonoid antioxidant found in peanuts. Resveratrol can have protective effects, such as helping to prevent cancers, inflammation, and neurological diseases, including Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. 9. Eggs. Eggs can be an effective brain food and are enjoyed by many for breakfast. They are a good source of B vitamins like vitamins B6, B12, and folic acid. Recent research suggests that these vitamins may prevent brain shrinkage and delay cognitive decline. 10. Broccoli. Broccoli is rich in compounds called glucosinolates. When the body breaks these down, they produce isothiocyanates. Isothiocyanates may reduce oxidative stress and lower the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Broccoli also contains vitamin C and flavonoids, and these antioxidants can further boost a person's brain health. We hope you've found this video useful. Please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to catch all the latest videos and updates.